Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the font type and size in Google Sites. Yeah, so it looks just the way you want it. First, open the Google site you want to edit. Make sure you're signed in to your account, otherwise you won't be able to make changes. Next, click on the text box where you want to change the font. Just select the area you want to adjust. Now look at the top toolbar. There's a font drop-down menu. Click it, and you can choose any font you like. Maybe something more formal or playful depending on your site style. Right next to the font menu, you'll see the font size option. Click and select your preferred size. Yeah, you can make it bigger for headings or smaller for body text. And that's it. Your text now has the font type and size you want. Simple as that, and it really makes your Google site look professional. Don't forget to preview your changes before publishing.